And so today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how I earn money here in Inbox Dollar. So let's log in. So mayroon ako siyang mayroon na kasi akong account. So this is how I earn money here in Inbox Dollar. So I have $30.50 already. So ready to claim. So hindi ko pa siya i-claim. So ito, like here, example, answer question. Yan. Where would you most likely find a spin maker? Where is that, hubby? What is a spin maker?
What?
Where would you...
spinnaker?
Yeah, spinnaker. What's the answer?
Boat.
What's boat? Boat? This one, boat?
Boat.
This one? Okay. Yeah, you just answer like that and then you will get some money. See, it's like this. Right. Correct answer. And then let's go to home again. Yes, and then what you have to do is my free Shana. There is a free money here. This is where is that? Message. Okay, here. This is money. You have to click that one and then go down and then you just click it here. I want to show you first. My money here is $30.50 $30.50. Then I'm gonna click this. This will be another additional too. You just click like that and then see, they added 2 cents. And then I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna click this again, the another mail. So find that confirm this paid email. Click it again and then that's it. And then they added 2 cents again. So congratulations, congrats, you earn more money towards your goal. Then another thing that you can earn money is like, I think is video. There are too many ways to earn money here. Like if you just watch the video in here, you will earn $0.01 like this or if you watch that video, that's money, dollar. And then if you watch TV too, if you watch the TV like this, if you watch this one, you will earn there is scratch and you will earn money too. And then the survey, here's the survey here. There are lots of choices. That one, you can answer the survey and you will earn 50 cents, 20 cents, 50 cents, $1.25. Too many choices. And then there is this is a cash AC cash. And then you can refer a friend. That's another more money. So that's it, guys. So that's how I earn money. Actually, this is my second time. Last time when I reached my $30, they sent me check. And now I have already $30.54 is another check, but I'm not going to claim that now because I want it more. I want more dollars. So thank you for watching, and hopefully you will subscribe my channel. Charing. Thank you and good night.